Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question. So yeah, today's question is playing with toys. In this question, Chef got N toys for his birthday and every day if he has at least one toy with him, he plays with that specific toy for that day and unfortunately Chef is very careless and he will inevitably break that toy by the end of the day. When he does break it, he does not play with a new toy but just waits for it for the next day. Now, after M days, how many toys will be left with Chef? Now, in the input format, we are given two integers n and m representing how many toys Chef had and for how many days Chef will be playing with those toys. So, in the first input, we are given that Chef had one toy and he would play with toys for 2 days. So, because Chef had only one toy and he broke it on day one, on day two, and on all the consecutive further days, he'll have zero toys to play with. So, the answer is zero. And the second input, initially Chef had 5 days and he would be playing with toys for 3 days. And for all 3 days, he would be breaking one toy exactly. So by the end of 3 days, he would be left with two toys, right? Because which is 5 minus 3. Now for the solution, all we need to do is take in the input of n and m. And if n minus m is greater than or equal to 0, we'll print n minus m. Otherwise, we'll print 0 because the number of toys cannot be negative, right? So now let's see the solution in Python first. So we'll begin by taking in the input of n comma m, and this is how we are taking in the input. So what are we doing here exactly? So initially we'll take in the input with of the whole line as a string, and we'll split the line or split the string with respect to spaces. So this will give us a list of strings that consist of different integers. And then we'll using this map function, this map of this would return us that list of string and that would be converted into a map iterator of integers, and those would be mapped inside n comma m. Now we'll simply print. Now these n comma m will contain the integer values of n and m, and in the end we'll simply print n minus m comma 0, the max of n minus m comma 0. And that's pretty much the whole solution in Python. Now let's see the solution in C++. So we'll begin by taking an input of n comma m, and we'll print max of n minus m comma 0, and that's pretty much the whole solution as well. Now the time complexity is constant because we're just doing a few constant operations. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked that. Thanks. Bye bye.